So if I had to create the most perfect day, what would it look like? So we're not big sleepers, so we're kind of up early, probably like 7 or 8 a.m., I would think. I would love to maybe go for a long walk, or go do yoga. That would be like the most perfect day. Then I would love for you to be there with me when we do all that. And then I would love to go to like a fun brunch, lunchy place, right? Where maybe Mexican. I would love that, right? We could have a few margaritas and just kind of have some guacamole and some chips and just chill. No phones, by the way. There's no phones during this whole day. Like we've left them at home.
All right.
And then I think in the afternoon, it would be great to, we love to binge some of our series. So maybe we watch some of the series that we've been watching, maybe one or two. And then it would be great, we go out to dinner and do like a fun, maybe a little more formal than what we did for lunch. And then we'd have a nice dinner, and then I think maybe we'd go for ice cream afterwards. Yeah, I know. It's a full calorie day. That's my most perfect day. And then actually, it would be nice if we could meet up with family for dinner. That actually would be really great. So we'd have lunch together ourselves. Then we meet up with all of the family and the kids and the grandkids, and we'd have this one big massive dinner. And maybe we cooked here and they came here. And then honestly, it would just be quiet with maybe a fire in the fire pit, and we could make s'mores, more food. We could make s'mores. That would be fun. That would be kind of my
All right.
most perfect day.